Hi beautiful, AJ here. Thank you for choosing to hang out with me today. If you're new, I do videos about all things beauty, may that be makeup, skincare, or hair care. And in today's video, we are going to be diving in and comparing two boxes, the base box and the premium box from BOXYCHARM. So if you love unboxing videos, you love makeup, you love skincare, then please keep on watching. Before we begin, if you haven't hit the subscribe and that notification bell button, I don't know what you're waiting for, but please go ahead and do that. And don't forget to smash that like button as well, as it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. So just to give you guys a bit of background, for those of you who haven't heard of BOXYCHARM before, BOXYCHARM is a makeup and skincare subscription box, and for the base box, you usually pay 25 US dollars. And for the premium box, you do pay 35 US dollars. So it's more expensive. However, you do get more value, you do get more products in the premium box. So today, we will be comparing what I got on my base box and on my premium box. So I am so excited because that's almost like an ASMR sliding like that. Another one. So my address used to be here, so I had to remove it. So I'm sorry if the box is a bit so I'm really sorry if the box is a bit butchered, but yeah, this is the base box, which is a bit tinier, and this is the premium box. I believe I had to pay $5 for shipping for this one, and for this one I think I needed to pay $5 or $8. So yeah, I think that's not bad, especially if I'm getting like makeup and skincare with over $100 value. So like a $5 shipping, I don't mind. So let's begin with unboxing the base box, because I am super duper excited because I wanted to give you guys like a few of these products that I'm gonna be getting. Yeah, I want to host a giveaway soon, so probably the next video that you're gonna watch from my channel is going to be the giveaway. So I'm so excited and stoked to finally give you guys and give back something that, you know, I'm always so clumsy with accessories and knives. I don't know why, but yeah. Oopsies. Ano ba yan, girl? Kaya mo yan. So, ito, bukas na siya. And, let's see. Cool. So, I got like this pamphlet again. So, the theme for the July box is sunshine. And this is what I got right here. So, it's already sliding. And, oh my gosh. Okay, so the first product that I got is this Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil in the shade, I hope it's my shade, Warm Brunette. So I guess that's my shade because it looks like it's dark. So let me swatch this just so, or let me just open it. I'm not sure. If this is not my shade, I'm gonna give it to you guys. So I think this is my shade, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. It's not as creamy as the one that I like, but I really like the shade. And it's so blendable. What is the value of this one? So this one has a retail price of 28 US dollars. So this is not bad. That's already more than the price of my box, considering I only paid 25 US dollars. So I wouldn't even purchase this on my own because the one that I like is from the drugstore. It's from the Brow Bar. Is it the Brow Bar? No, the Balm. So the one from the Balm is really good. It's very creamy. It's so easy to apply for the brows. But since I got an Hourglass eyebrow pencil, then I'm gonna be putting this to good use. I'm so excited. And Hourglass is one of those brands that I really love. However, they are so expensive that I barely even buy them. So I'm so happy to get one. So the next thing I see here is this Alamar Cosmetics. I think this is a lip gloss. So it is in the shade called Birthday Suit. I don't want to swatch this on my hand because I'm thinking of giving this to you guys, but the glitter and the reflex on this, it reminds me of my Fenty Beauty, the glossy bomb. So I think this is gonna be a good, you know, substitute for that, because that one is a bit, you know, pricey. But this retails for 15 US dollars. I think this is a really good shade. Like, you can just wear your normal lip pencil, or like line your lips with your lip pencils and then just put on and throw on a lip gloss. You're good to go. You can just go out and that's your summer look. So the third product that I see is this Never Settle shade from Pop Sugar, Beauty by Pop Sugar. So this is the Make Waves Liquid Metallic Eye Color. Oh, that's so liquidy. I have like a liquid eyeshadow from Stila, but it's not as liquidy as this. This one is like, I don't know, it's even more liquidy than the foundation. That's so interesting. I don't even know if I want to swatch this. Maybe I'll just watch this just for the experience. Why not? I don't know. But it's very patchy if you apply too much. I'm gonna play around with this. I think it's something different. It says liquid metallic eye color. I can definitely agree that it is a liquid, but I want it to work like my Stila one. I don't know if this is gonna work with my oily eyelids, but I'm gonna probably try it tomorrow, and I'll let you know in the description box if it worked for me. So the fourth product that I see here is a palette, and it's from Ace Beauty or Beauty. I don't know, there's like a slash at the end. So this is what the palette looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is what it looks like. I think it's really good because it has like 4 different shades that you can use whatever your skin tone is, or if you are a makeup artist, like you can actually use it to like different skin tones, or if you have like Asian skin or Filipino skin, what happens during the year is that our skin get lighter during the winter and then it gets darker, super dark during the summer. So you can use this to transition right from winter to summer. So I think this is really good. However, I'm not going to swatch this. I do have a lot of bronzer already that I'm loving. So I'm going to pass it on to you guys on the giveaway. So just stay tuned, and in the next video is going to be the details or the instructions on how to win the giveaway. I forgot to tell you, this retails for $23, and this Ace Beauty is retailing for $30. So that is not bad, considering you get 4 shades here. So the last product here in my base box is this 111 Skin NAC Pollution Defense Booster, providing multi-protection against pollutants and screen-emitted artificial visible light. This essential booster utilizes defensive peptides and antioxidants to safeguard skin from the damaging effects of daily aggressors in order to maintain a healthy complexion. So I am always like in front of a screen because I am working from home. So this is one of the products that I chose in my July base box because I wanted to protect my skin from the lights that are emitted from my screen. So I chose this because of that. And another reason too, this retails for $135. Can you guys imagine? Like, I wouldn't spend my $135 just to buy one skincare product that I haven't like tried before. So that's the reason why I picked this up, because it's so tiny. It's only 20 ml, but it's so expensive. So that's the reason why I picked it up. So let's see how it feels, whether it's going to be tacky, because sometimes I don't like my skincare to be tacky. Doesn't have like a strong scent, which I love. I don't like products that are heavily fragranced. Yeah, so it absorbs very quickly as well. So I don't mind using this in the morning, especially when I'm gonna be working. Yeah, just to protect my face, my skin from like the harmful lights that are emitted from my screen. So I am so excited to try this 111 Skin NAC Pollution Defense Booster. Alright, so overall I got a value of $231 in my base box. So I don't think it is bad. I think it's worth it just because I got like the skincare that I just showed you guys and this Hourglass eyebrow pencil. I've never expected to receive any Hourglass products in a subscription box, but since I did, like, I'm already super like happy. I'm super happy. So yeah, $231, that is not bad. So let us move on to the BOXYCHARM Premium. I'm super excited to unbox this one because this is very heavy. So I'm expecting to see like skincare products in here because, girl, this is heavy. So let's open it. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I'm really loving the blue. I don't know about you guys, but I love this kind of blue. So are we, I don't know, I don't see a pamphlet. Did they forget to give me one? So this is what it looks like. I think there are already a lot of good products in here. So the first thing that I see is this cuticle oil revitalizing with milk and honey. So that is a pretty good size. This is 75 ml, and I don't have a lot of products for my nails, so I am so excited to receive one from like a box because I don't even have like a cuticle oil yet. I know. So that smells so good. I love it. It's very nourishing, I can already tell. It smells so good. I'm gonna dump my cuticles in here, especially the ones in my feet. Yeah, so you only need 1 drop per cuticle. So that is really good because this is a lot of product. This is probably gonna last me like the entire summer or until like, I don't know, 3 summers. But I'm gonna use this later tonight and, you know, just like have like a mini spa day. I'm excited. So the next product that I see is the Ciare. Okay, this is a makeup product. I'm excited. So this is the Dewy Coconut Setting Mist from Ciare. And it is the Everyday Vacation. It has a coconut extract and skin softening niacinamide. Okay, niacinamide is really good if you want to prevent your skin from producing too much oil. So I appreciate that they included like a skincare active product in here. Like it is a dewy setting mist. Yeah, it is a setting mist. So you can probably use this just on its own or like before makeup even. So the lid is even this nice color and the bottle is like very glossy. I really like it, but I'm not gonna touch like the inside because I want to give it to you guys. I'm gonna be sanitizing all of this before I pack it because, you know, we all have to be safe, we all have to be careful, especially at this time. So the next thing that I see here is this Fully Fire Expensive Habits. So it's vegan, no cruelty, no gluten, no fragrance. I love that. So these are lipsticks. So I barely even buy like colored lipsticks now. I don't know. I keep buying like these nude lipsticks that almost look the same, but I barely buy like colored lipsticks. So I'm excited to use these. It comes in these free colors, free interesting colors. It's Full House, Here to Slay, and Sunset Boulevard. So I'm probably gonna be picking one of these and giving it as part of the giveaway. And then I'll keep the other two. Why not, right? I don't want to swatch anything yet because I don't know which one you guys like. So probably comment down below whether you would prefer like the red shade, this purpley brown shade, and then this more mauvey, like lighter brown shade. So we have these 3 colors. So the next product that I see here is this Biro New York Bitter Green Essence Toner. I don't have a lot of toners on my vanity. I mean like on my stock of like skincare goodies. So getting a toner is really good. I really appreciate that they gave me a toner. And it comes in this beautiful green color. It's so interesting. So this one is a conditioning treatment toner that saturates the skin with hydrating and purifying green ingredients that help smooth the texture of the skin and protect against dehydration. So it's really good. Toner is supposed to give back that moisture after washing your face. So if you are dehydrated, like toners are really, really good to balance your pH level because sometimes your cleanser can just strip off your skin from, you know, like from washing. So toner is gonna restore that hydration in your skin. So this is the product. It does smell like an essential oil. I don't know why it smells like the tea tree oil. Now it smells like bubble gum. I don't know why I'm having like a weird scent right now. It's a bit sticky, but I really like that it's like a big full-size bottle because I do go through toners super quickly, especially since I don't use like a cotton pad. Like I just pour them on my hand and just like, you know, splash my face with the toner. So I do go through toners super quickly. Like that is one thing that I go through quickly. Next is moisturizer. I don't know, I love hydrating my face so much. So this is a hydrating toner as it claims to be. So I am excited to try this and add it to my skincare vanity. So the next product I see here is Morphe and Manny MUA's Glam Palette. So this is Manny MUA's collab with Morphe. I haven't heard of this launch, but I'm gonna be giving this away to you guys because I do have a lot of palettes already. I haven't even seen this. I've already decided in my heart to give it to you guys because I think this is an eyeshadow palette with like face products as well. So it has 14 shades for the ultimate glam, 12 ethereal eyeshadows in matte and shimmer, and 2 highlighters. Nice. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. I really like that it comes with like colors that you can play with as well as neutral colors, and there's definitely like a lot of shades here that you can use as your transition color, and then you can play around with those shades, and then if you want to darken and deepen your crease, then you can use this shade. So I'm not going to swatch this because I'm going to be giving it to you guys, but it also comes with 2 highlighters, so I really like that. This can even be a blush topper if you like to be glowy or your blush to be glowy. So comment down below if you really want to receive this palette. So the last product that I see in the box is this Kenya Ontiveros Beauty Blush and Shine Kit. So another palette, you guys. So this is the third palette because the first one is the bronzer, and then Manny MUA's collab with Morphe, which is the eyeshadow and the highlighter. So this one is blush and shine, so it's probably highlighter and blush. Okay, that's pretty. I don't have these blushes yet. Alright. So it doesn't have a mirror though, so that's the disadvantage of it. So it's hard if you're gonna bring it to travel, and it's kind of bulky as well. There are very interesting shades in here though of blushes that I don't own yet. So I don't have a light pink blush yet. I don't have even this mauve, like deep mauve shade, and this Gemini. So this reminds me of my Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon. However, that one has like a bit of a sheen to it, and this one is just matte. So I'm excited to try this, especially this summer, because sometimes I do want to use that Burt's Bees blush, but sometimes I don't like glowy blushes, especially during the summer. So I want to try this. And it comes with these 3 highlighters. So I'm very torn actually if I should give this to you guys or if I should keep it. I don't know. If you want this blush, then comment it down below if you want it to be part of the giveaway. I'm not gonna touch it yet because I do have a lot of blushes already, but to me, like, the shades are just very interesting because I don't own these kinds of blushes yet. So since we don't have the pamphlet or the card that comes with the premium box, I'm not sure what is the value of the box that I got, but I think it's really high value because we do get like that toner that's probably like very expensive. And to me, the cuticle oil is already worth it because I never buy cuticle oils on my own, and even that lipstick, those 3 shades. So comment down below what you want to be part of the giveaway, or even the products that you want to receive as part of the giveaway. So I'm probably gonna select 3 winners or 2 winners, who knows. So just watch out for the next video as I'm gonna be detailing all of the instructions on how to win the giveaway. Overall, I do love this BOXYCHARM this month. Although I would have preferred to see more of the brands that I am aware of. However, I'm not too sad about not getting products that I already know of. Like, the point of getting a subscription box is to be able to try all of these brands that I haven't even heard before, especially like products that comes from the US. Like probably the brands that I haven't heard of before, like the Ace Beauty, Kenya Ontiveros, like Byroe? Yeah, like these brands are probably from the US and I haven't even heard of them before, so I am excited to try them. And that's one of the reasons why I subscribe to this box. So let me know also in the comment section below which products do you want a review of and what are you thinking of buying, or if you're subscribed to BOXYCHARM, what did you get? Did you like what I got, or did you get a better version of the box? So just comment it down below. I would love to hear from you. Again, stay tuned for the giveaway, and if you haven't subscribed, then please hit that subscribe and that notification bell button, and don't forget to smash that like button as it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for sticking until the end, and see you in my next video. I think there's a lot of good stuff in here, and I have to pack what I'm gonna give you guys in the giveaway, and I have to sanitize it properly. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video.